Thirikari iri ikinya-ini ria gukinyaniria mbegu cia kiriu cia mahiu ni igukorwo ire na kiguni kinene makiria kuri arimi. Kuringana na muikariri giti bodi-ini ya ruhonge rwa guciarithania mbegu cia mahiu bururi-ini Ndagitari Joyfrey Kamau ni ati kugerera teknolojia iria marenda kwambika guku bururi-ini hari uthondeki wa mbegu ici, arimi ni marikoragwo na uhoti wa gwithurira mbegu iria mariendaga kuherwo ng'ombe iri cia mori ona kana ndegwa.
And that semen we call it sex semen. The government has already given a go-ahead. We start sexing machine, sexing technology, and they have given about almost 1 billion to start a sexing technology so that we can be able to give farmers 99% females in terms of heifers.
Wona tabarĩra ĩno ya kinyanirio, arimi marikoragwo makiherwo mahiu mao mbegu ici na thogora wa gatagati ga ciringi 1,500 nginya 2,000, mũgarũ na mathogora ma gatagati ga ciringi 4,000 nginya 10,000 iria makoragwo makirihio gwa kahinda-ini gaka o hari mbegu.
This cost will come down to anything between or to about on average 2,000 shillings at maximum, which will be almost 30% of the current prices in the market.
Very soon we are also going to see how we can also be able to give farmers the embryos which will be able to cut the breeding cycle of these animals.
Mamwe ma matora maria ruhonge ruru rurongoreirie kugathika ceceni cia guciarithaniria mbegu ici ni hamwe na Kirinyaga, Nyahururu, Eldoret, Kakamega, Sotik o ũndũ ũmwe na icigo ingĩ cia bũrũri.
And we are happy that the government has given us about 400 million to set up a goat air station, which will be the first in Africa in Kirinyaga. And the project has already started. We are almost 40%. And in the middle of next year, we are going to distribute high quality goat semen.
Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.